wanted to make a quick video about this inspirational design stand-up rider, and I got this $20. It's like a really expensive leaf vacuum part, and I figured I'd make something like this, but probably just a single axle dump bucket. I actually have a washing machine that lines, it fits perfect too, the shell, but then I started thinking, oh no, I'm getting corrupted. You know, it'd be even cooler to have a similar front end loader, or more likely I'd use would be for seeding or fertilizer spreading, or maybe a modified, more organic like manure, solid material type spreading, you know, modified so it's a little heavier duty. And then, of course, I've always had for the front end loader, I want to have this based off the 42 and 38 inch John Deere auger blades. They're so heavy duty. Have a front end loader, you know, skid steer cement mixer, and that's primarily what the front end loader project's gonna have as a second implement. And I kind of went back and forth with, oh man, you know, kind of going back and forth like, man, an auger would be kind of cool too. Though this is what I want to document, is this front end loader design is really where I want to put the auger, and have, of course, the front end loader, and probably more like this design auger style, which not exactly the same track, but the same concept. Really, I should say paradigm of thinking. Not exactly, though similar, because there's more of that linear range of motion. Except I want to have this design where I've got the ability to move side to side, angle, and front to back